Okay, so the chickens found a dead mouse. So now B has a... Bro's just got a dead mouse. Tilly wants the dead mouse. This just proves chickens will eat literally anything. They're running around with a dead mouse. Okay, I'm gonna start dying laughing right about now. Tilly really wants that mouse. Bro's just running around with the dead mouse. Everyone wants it. Oh, poor Tilly. She just wants to mash a mouse. Bro just ran over Tilly. Oh my god. This is one of the funniest things I have ever seen the chickens do. Tilly just wants a bit of the mouse. My god. You're not even gonna share anyone with your own daughter? How cruel of you, B. How cruel. Oh, now Bubbles wants it. Oh. Ah! Give me the mouse! Give me the mouse, give me the mouse, give me the mouse, give me the mouse. She is not letting me take that mouse. Oh, they're playing tug. Now Bubbles has the mouse. Bubbles has the mouse. Bubbles has the mouse. Now B took it. B took it. B has it now. B got it back. B got it back. Back your mouse. Tilly really wants that mouse. Just random stuff that we do here. Watching the chickens run around with a dead mouse. This is entertaining. This is actually entertaining. No, this is just the entire video, just me following around the chickens, eating a dead mouse. Angel tried to take it. Oh, B's in the coop. No, give me that. Give me the mouse. Give me the mouse. Okay, half a chicken. I don't know. Now someone else has the mouse. Rashad took it. Now Rashad has the mouse. B already... You guys just want to sleep in. Come here, you guys. Where's the mouse? Who took the mouse? What? The mouse is right here. B, do you have the mouse? I got distracted. The mouse is right there. I don't know where it went. Someone took it. I don't have it. Wait, I think it's over here. Is the mouse over here? Okay, well, that's the video. Round 2. I rediscovered the mouse. Now Angel has it. B really wants this mouse. They rediscovered the mouse after Rashad lost it. Oh, Tilly's eating the mouse now. No. Is this it? Yes. Whee! Muffin's got the mouse. Muffin got the mouse. Oh, now Peep has it. No, Peep has it. Who has it now? Oh, they tore it in half. Ooh, they tore it in half. You have a piece. Peep, what did you do your piece? Peep decapitated it. Peep. Oh, Nuggets got the other half. That's the half I'm not touching. I was holding up by the tail. Nugget got the mouse. Nugget got the mouse. Nugget got the mouse. Nugget got the mouse. Oh, are you hearing me say mouse? You want it? Pearl wants it. Oh, wait, Silver gonna take it. Silver might take it. Oh, yeah, no, this is fun. Watching the chickens just run around with dead mice is funny. They tore it in half. Oh, Muffin's got part of it. I think. No, that's just. No, I think that's the mouse. Muffin and Nugget both have chunks. They tore it in half. Nugget's just got this half. Why are you not going to share with Peach? You could have took the mouse. The predator has his prey. He does not want to share with anyone else in the flock, not even his father. Okay, so here's the bass. This organ, look at it. I think that's some intestines. Okay, B is satisfied because she has part of the mouse. You guys are just throwing its corpse around. Chickens are savage animals, as you can tell. Yeah, I know, Nugget. That's your mouse. That's your... You don't want it anymore. Mousey over here. Silver has it now. No? Silver has its head. Yes, chickens are omnivores, if you did not know. They are not herbivores. Chickens are or what I like to call them, omnivores. You know, you want your mouse back? No? Everyone just wants bees now. Run, bee, run! Run! Why is this funny? I genuinely don't know why this is funny. Maybe there's a killdeer somewhere around here. If you don't know what a killdeer is, it's a type of plover. If you don't know what a plover is, it's a type of shorebird. Going back this way. And then there are some mallards. I wonder if one of them is Willie. If it is, it's the hen. Willie was a hen. So a female duck is called a hen. Male ducks are called drakes. The ones with the green heads, those are the drakes. The brown one's the hen. Oh, Pearl has it. Pearl has the mouse. Back to the mouse. Back to the mouse. Yes, this is entertaining. Come here. Come here, bee. Have it, chicken. Okay, who has the mouse now? One part's here, one part's there. So he has some of its guts, I think. Yeah, Tilly has its like intestines or something. It's just flinging it around. This proves that chickens will eat anything. They are going piranha mode on a dead mouse that they tore into like 3 different bits. Shad and Muffin are fighting over that one, and then Bee loves her mouse, apparently. Bee is eating its head. Why don't you eat its skull? I know. For all I know, one of the cats killed it and put it in here, or it could have just died of natural causes. I don't know. Or maybe the chickens did kill it, but they didn't eat it. You're silly. It's like a worm. It's like intestines. Like, once one chicken has it, they'll be disinterested in it. Once one has it, everyone wants it. Hey, Angel. Okay, so the chaos is starting to die down, but there is still some mouse on the battlefield. This is not some of that. I think it's some moss. Apparently, Bee likes to eat mouse. Good to know. This is like a 10-minute long. Bee just ate it. Is there any more mouse? Nope. Okay, now this is the actual end. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed our chickens going piranha mode on some mice. Alright, so never mind. Round 3. The cat left us this lovely present. Who wants to eat a chipmunk? Yes. F this. Eat the chipmunk. Oh, hi, Silver. Did you leave me a present? No, you did not. Lay an egg. I got chipmunk. No? Any takers? Sliver. I'm sure Pete will eat it. I can find her. What, have you guys eaten all the protein you want today? Bee, chipmunk. It's meat. It's prey. If anyone will eat it, it's her. Although, if any one of our chickens is a cannibal, it's probably Silver. And the chase has begun. Alright, we have like 5 chickens over here. 6. You're just carrying it by the foot. Who wants some chipmunk? Come on, girls. Come and get it. Tilly wants a chipmunk. Eat it, eat it, eat it. This is just gonna be like a 20-minute long video of just the chickens eating mice and chipmunks. No one? Yeah. Let me.
What is that cinder block?
This one?
Any of them, really. If you can lift them. If not, I can grab them. Just be careful. I'm going to put it on that when I fill it so it doesn't keep dumping. Careful, careful. I don't want you to hurt yourself.
Okay, where'd the chipmunk go? There it is.
Every time I try and fill it, it dumps.
Angel, it's food. It's dead. It's not gonna hurt you. It's dead. No? No takers? Sweepy? Shot? Muffin? I'm surprised B doesn't want any. Are you all proteined out or something? I'm just gonna throw this at him. Any takers? Protein. B likes chipmunk, kind of. Not as interesting as the mouse chaos. Any eggs? Wait, someone take it? Someone good. It's okay, thanks. Wait, it was right here. Where did I go? Oh. It blends in a lot more than the mouse. I think that's its kidney there. Eat it. Or not. Okay. So the chickens prefer mouse over chipmunk. Well, okay, so this is the actual end, because I actually have to go now. Eat the chipmunk, or else whoever feeds the chickens and locks them up is gonna find it and gonna freak out.